Hi guys, today the topic is quadratic expressions, completing the square. So before you start with completing the square, here I have written one expression, x plus a whole square. So what does it mean? X plus a whole square is x plus a times x plus a. So you should know how to multiply these two expressions. I mean to expand it. So first you should multiply x with x and then x with a. Okay, same with this a. So first we do with a with x and then a with a. So let's rewrite it and expand it. X square plus a times x is, or x times a is ax plus ax plus a square. So you can see clearly, so these are same because x times a is ax and ax same. Okay, and these two are completely squared forms, but the middle one is not the squared form. So we can say x square plus ax, and ax is double of ax plus a square. So this is the final expansion of your original equation, x plus a whole square. I mean to say, if you say x plus 2 square, so what you should get, x square 2 times a. So my a is 2 here, so 2 times 2 is 4 into x plus 2 square, so 4. So x square plus 4x plus 4 is basically the expansion of x plus 2 square. Now the target, what we are going to learn today is reverse. So from this expression, we have to learn how to convert back to square, x plus 2 square something. So one thing you need to know, that if you have two terms inside the bracket, x and 2, so in the expansion you will have three terms, x square, 4 which is 2 square, and the middle one is double of their products, 2 and x. So it's always double of their x. For example, if you take x plus 3 square, you should get x square and plus 3 square is 9, and in the middle you should get double of their product. So 3 into x is 3x, so double is 6x. So x square plus 6x plus 9. So this is the expansion form, and the target for today is going back, so getting x plus 3 whole square. So you have to learn two things here. The first thing is x has always x square. This 3 should be written as 3 square, means 9, and in the middle you should have double of their product. It means the number in the middle, 6. So if you divide 6 by 2, you should get 3. So that's how you will know what should you write here. Okay, so let's go with this example. We have here x square plus 8x. So you can see clearly, if you have x square, so x is okay, and if I want to write square here, so I should divide the middle value by 2 as I did here. So 8 divided by 2 should be 4. So I'll write 4 here. So x plus 4 square. But if you expand it, you should get x square plus 16, because 4 square is 16, and in the middle you should get 4x and double, so 8x. So with us, x square plus 8x and x square plus 8, but this 16 is separate, so it's extra, but which is not here. So you cannot write x square plus 8x as x plus 4 whole square. It means you need to rearrange it. So I mean to say, if you remove 16 from this whole, you should get that. So what we'll do, we'll rewrite x square plus 8x plus 16 and minus 16. So this is very important, why I'm writing plus 16 and minus 16, because to make a 3 terms. So when you have 3 terms, So you can write as a square of two terms. So I will write x square plus 8x plus 16 as x plus 4 square, and this 16 will be subtracted so that it is balanced, because if you expand it you should get that. So from 16 and minus 16 you should get same. So that's how you should convert. So let's take another example. Here you have x square plus 10x plus 15. So can you guess what should I write here? So x plus something. So that something should be half of the middle. So 10. So half of 10 is 5. So I should write 5 here. But this is not the same. Okay. So you can check what should you write. X square plus maybe double of that. So 10x and plus 5 square is 25. But in my original term I have 15. Okay, so this 15 and this is 25, so they are not same. So you need to make some arrangements. So arrangements only you can do with these numbers. Okay, so I will write it again. X square plus 10x plus, so I want to write 15 instead of 25. So can I write 25 minus 10, because that's what I'm getting 15. So x plus 5 square from these three, okay, and minus 10. So that's the perfect square of x square plus 10x plus 15.